Okay guys, you've learned everything about YouTube, how to add cards, how to add thumbnails, how to add a video, how to add, end screen, how to manage comments, how to manage your YouTube page. Now one more important thing that is going to help you to grow, that is analysis and learning from that analysis. Now let us understand how can you go through the analysis of your YouTube channel. Click on your icon and then click upon YouTube Studio. When you click upon YouTube Studio, you would be redirected to this channel dashboard page. Okay. Now, can you see the fourth option, guys? Analysis. Click upon analysis. And now let us learn, guys, how to learn from this analysis. Now, this channel I've just recently made, guys, to teach you guys. So there are no reviews, there are no watch time hours. Okay. So, but I'll teach you what things you'll get where, okay? So let us understand and let us start to learn about the analysis of a YouTube channel. So firstly, we are on our overview page, okay? On the overview page, this is just an overview about your YouTube channel. Firstly, you'll understand the views, the total number of views, the total number of watch hours, the total number of subscribers. Now, one thing what you can do is last 28 days, okay? If you want just 1 day analysis, just you can go through this and you can click upon the last 1 day analysis, last 7 days analysis, last 90 days, last 1 years or lifetimes analysis, okay? But I'll refer you guys to go with last 28 days analysis, that is a monthly analysis. Now, how many people you have reached out to, your impressions, your impression click-through rate, your views, your unique viewers, okay? The engagement, okay, means the engagement with people, your audience, okay? All about your audience, your unique viewers, the average views per viewer, your subscribers, and below here you'll also get your graph, okay? When your viewer are on YouTube, other videos, your audience watch time from your top geographies and all of these things. Now let us again go to overview and let us understand something more, okay? When in overview you click upon see more, you would be landed upon this page, okay? This is your videos, views by video, and all of those information, your graphs, your analytics, and all of those things. Your total number of watch time hours, subscribers, impressions, and all of those things, okay? That you would get on this page, okay? Your videos, your views for your videos. Then traffic source, from where you're getting the traffic, you'll find here on the traffic source page. Geography means from which country you are getting the more number of viewers, the more number of subscribers. So this is about geography, that is from India, abroad. You're going to understand Pakistan and all of those things, the number, the percentage of geographical, additional to it. How many percent you're getting from India, how many percent of viewers from Pakistan, and all such. Viewer age means the age of your viewer, the age of your viewer, your subscribers, okay? From 13 to 17, from 18 to 24, 25 to 34 age. From this, what can you understand, guys? The more number of viewers of that age group you're having, you can concentrate them more, okay? If you are having a good number of viewers from 18 to 34 age group, then what can you do is just concentrate more on them, create more content on them. Then viewer gender, okay? Which gender more is watching your video, okay? The viewers are of which gender, okay? The percentage contribution of each gender. If the ratio of male is more, you can concentrate on male more. You can make more videos for males or more videos for females, and so on. The date of your videos, the playlist, the device type, and the more option, that is YouTube product, YouTube type, playback location, operating system, subtitles, video info language, translation use, end screen element type, end screen element, cart type, cart, and all those information. If you want to have the daily analysis, click on daily. If you want weekly or monthly, I would go with monthly. This is a new channel, guys, so there are no analytics here for now, but I'm just giving you an overview. Okay, now let us understand filter option, device type, geography, live on demand, operating system, published date, subscription status, traffic source, translation use, YouTube product, and all such information, guys. Now the video which has more number of likes, comments, and watch hours, try to understand the content of that video and try to make such type of video, because you're getting more engagement from that videos. So the gender specific, if your videos are gender specific, you have to see, is it male or female, from where you're getting more engagement. Try to create more videos of that type. Viewer age, try to create of that age group. Then you can just scroll through all these sources, from all these analytics itself you can grow your channel. These are all the analytics that you can just do through your YouTube channel page, and you can grow your YouTube channel. Firstly, the overview, your videos, your likes, your comments. Go through all these things. See monthly, see daily, overviews, and go through all of those things and help yourself to grow your channel. This will help, these analysis will help to grow your channel.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.